So this is back to Destiny again. These are the challenges we face for our work. Number one is retaining girls. We want them to move on, but at the same time, we want to see that they're safe when they're moving on. And from the business side also, we would love that they grow and go out and grow of their own. Innovative product is also important. We have to constantly be innovative, finding buyers, and most important thing is the transition phase. Convert traumatized girl into a professional one. That is a major, major challenge for us. And it takes sometimes long time, more than 1 year, 2 years. So we have to be very patient. Also, playing the role of an entrepreneur and social worker is very hard. It's really difficult. And we look forward to expand the business and the facility and competing with mainstream business. We don't want people to buy from us because they're sad. We want them to buy because good quality and they like our work. Mood swing is again very important. Even if they pass the initial trauma stage, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, many of the time they go back, they remember their past, and it affects their present situation, which results in absence, slow production. So we have to deal with it, have to learn how to deal with it. This is here what we have accomplished in 5 years. 60 women and girls have been benefited, successfully reintegrated 80% of the survivors. We run 2 programs in the villages, which are traffic prone, Sundarban and Narendrapur. We are able to intervene to 5 countries, but we need to strengthen our partnership there. We were able to develop networking with local government and trying to tie up with their scheme, if any. Even though we don't have any special scheme for the traffic victim girls, we are trying to see if we can do anything. We have student exchange program, USA with Santa Clara University, thanks to Linda Alpen for making it happen. And in Canada, we are with Simon Fraser or SFU. In Japan, we have started from last year. India-Japan coalition, they help us get interns every year.